fireworks, bonfire, night, fireworks, bonfire, night, fireworks, bonfire, night. So we just learnt the signs for fireworks and bonfire night. How are you going to remember those signs? Okay, so fireworks, think of when a firework goes off, it goes pew, pew, right up into the air, doesn't it? And that's how can you remember fireworks. And flicking like that. It's almost like you think you can flick the firework up into the air. Flick that firework up into the air. Great, well done, keep flicking. How are we going to remember bonfire night? So this is fire. And we've learnt this one before. The next one is night. So bonfire, the way that I could possibly remember that sign and explain to you how to remember that sign is that, you know, when you see people rubbing sticks together, rubbing the stick onto a piece of wood underneath, and they're trying to generate that fire, aren't they? So what we're going to do is do that, but just lift your hands up. And rather than doing this together, we're just going to make a little bit of a fluttery fingers there. Let's get the flames of that fire flicking away. Bonfire, night, night. We'll just go over them again. Fireworks or firework, night, bonfire, night. Well done. Keep practicing those signs.